So first, you have to create your account. Go to e-tesda.gov.ph. And then wait. And then click login. Click login. Scroll down and then click create new account. And then enter your username. Pwede ka mamili. Pwede your nickname. Ayan. And then your password. And then your valid email address. Dito po nila isesend yung confirmation dun sa account mo para makaproceed ka dun sa course na gusto mong i-enroll. Ayan. So, enter your email address twice. Kamali ako. So, by the way guys, I am using dummy account po. Then, ayun. Then, enter your first name. Then, your surname. Then, your address, kung city or town, kung nasan ka ngayon, yung address mo. Then, of course, Philippines, your country. Then, your gender, civil status, employment before the training. Ito yung before ka mag-enroll nitong online course, kung ikaw ay employed or unemployed. So, enter also your birthday, birth month, and then birth year. Highest educational attainment. So, I chose technical vocational since graduate na ako ng TechVoc course. Then, your age group or age gap. And then, your complete or permanent mailing address. Ayan, barangay, district, municipality, province, and then kung anong region. Kung hindi kayo sure dun sa region, you may Google it. Basta enter nyo lang yung, or kung saang barangay kayo. Then your contact number, 11-digit contact number. And dun naman sa learning or trainee student clients classification, ito yung kung saan ka kabilang, kung ikaw ay out of school youth, ayan, indigenous people, kung belong ka sa mga, ayan, basta check nyo lang po kung ano applicable sa inyo. Ayan, so I click TWSP Scholar kasi dun sa ano natin, TVET graduate yung nilagay natin. And then, ayun. This is to verify na hindi kayo robot, so sundan nyo lang kung anong image na hinahanap ng system. And then, click create my new account. So, antayin nyo lang. And then, click continue. And then, check nyo yung email nyo. Ayun. So, mabilis lang siya guys. Isasend na agad sa inyo yung confirmation. Ayan na. And then, click nyo yung binigay na link for you to proceed. So, ayan na siya. Your registration has been confirmed. Then, click continue. And there you go guys. Pwede na kayong mamili ng courses na i-enroll nyo. Pwede rin yung i-edit yung mga ibang details nyo na na-enter nyo na kanina. Ayan. So, ito yung features. Next. Enter. So, ayun. Punta tayo dun sa courses. Click nyo lang yung tatlong linya dun. And then, click courses. Ayun. So, mamimili ka lang dyan kung anong gusto mo. May free courses relevant to COVID-19, 21st century skills, agriculture, automotive, electrical and electronics, human health, healthcare. Ayun, sari-sari po siya. Tourism, TVET, processed food and beverages, ayan, entrepreneurship, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. So, ayan. Ito, sample lang po to. This is about business. Ayan. So, click mo lang po kung ano yung topic na gusto mo. And then, ayan. enroll me. Click enroll me. And tour. Ayan na siya, guys. Ito yung mga module dapat mabasa mo para makaproceed ka dun sa activity. So, kung hindi mo natapos yung module at hindi mo nasagot ng kumpleto yung activities, hindi ka mabibigyan ng certificate of completion. So, may mga ibang courses po na madaming topic. May mga ibang courses din po na 5 topics, 3 topics, madaming modules. Itong course po na ito, wala po siyang pre-test unlike the other courses na may mga pre-test and then post-test. Ayan po siya. So, para makuha mo yung certificate of completion, dapat nabasa mo na lahat or nasagutan mo yung mga activities every after module. So, yan. Pwede mong i-download yung mga modules niya, basahin mo. So, yun na guys. Thank you!